122-hour egg yolk. Well, that's what I'm calling them to make it sound super interesting and make you save and share this video. These are salt-cured egg yolks and are amazing boost of flavor for any dish, and you can easily make them. Get a container and cover the bottom with a ton of salt. We need to make sure that the egg yolks are completely covered and surrounded by the salt. Use the back of a spoon to make slots for the yolks. Now it's time to separate the yolks from the egg whites. I like to keep swapping the yolk between the two halves of the shell until all the egg whites are separated. Drop the egg yolks into the slots you made. Now cover them completely in salt. Cover the container with an airtight lid or plastic wrap, and now comes the tough part. Put it in the fridge for 5 days or 120 hours. Take it out of the fridge, get a bowl of cold water and thoroughly wash off the salt. Grab some paper towels, dry it off and line it on a baking sheet. Put it in a preheated oven at 170 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake it for 1.5 hours. Now just let them cool down and it's ready to grate onto any food and can be stored in the fridge for 2 to 4 weeks.